Okay, good morning everyone. It's Tuesday the 22nd of November and we are on the Ftse 100. Okay, so as per the Sunday analysis video, we are still within this triangle made up of the sloping resistance and the sloping support levels. What I am looking at now basically is the way that price has been failing at the center of this triangle here, pushed up again yesterday and failed once again. So we're basically squeezing within this triangle. For this morning, I'm watching the levels at 6,820 for clues as to what the market wants to do. If we are failing at this level once again, it's very, very likely the market is going to come down, at least make an attempt to break this sloping support and likely break it also. If we get above this level, it's very likely the market is coming up to retest the sloping resistance area. If we look at this on the 5-minute time frame, okay, so this key area is right here for this morning where I'm going to be watching. And if we fail at these levels, it's very likely the market is going to come back down into the sloping support area down here. What we've been watching for the last, it's over a week now, a couple of weeks, is for the market to get out of one of these areas. The price has been compressing for quite some time now. We've had some slow price action really for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, almost 10 days basically, where the market hasn't really been going anywhere. When this happens, what you want to think of it like as sort of a spring, a spring that is being compressed. Eventually, the market is going to break out, and all the pent up movement that has not been allowed to happen quite often comes in a rush. So you can often see quite fast movements of price action. We should break out of this week. Potentially today, we are riding this sloping support line, and we are compressing into the support and resistance line right here. So we have the potential to break today. Those are the main things I'm watching basically. This area right here for early morning clues. I'll still watch down at the sloping support level for potential buy positions. We attempted to break it a couple of times yesterday and failed. And I'll still be watching up toward the top at the sloping resistance area also. Those are the main things for today, guys. What I will do is we will come back at 4:30 at the close of the Ftse. We'll run through the price action. We'll look at what it did. We'll also go over what it suggests for the Ftse moving forward. And zone traders, we will run through any of the potential setups for you guys today. Okay, so we're just about at 4 o'clock. The Ftse has half an hour to go until close. However, I'm not going to be able to make the video at 4:30, so let's have a look at the price action now. First thing we can see is price is still within our sloping resistance and sloping support. If we drop down onto the 5-minute menu, let's have a look. So this morning, what we were looking at was if we got above this zone right here, looking for a bullish run on the market. Zone traders, perfect entry at 7.35 to take the market straight up. As we got into the, I'm just going to mark this in, zone above, you can see we're rejecting, and we've just rejected once again going into the close of today. For me, there were quite a few nice setups today. There was one right here, 11.15. I actually took this trade and exited at break even. The market came down, bounced back up. I got out of the trade. It's all part of being a trader, is facing that frustration of having to exit trades at break even. Sometimes you'll exit a trade at break even, and then the trade will just collapse and go exactly to the target you were expecting. But one of the main things as a trader is protecting your account. And very often this is what happens. Comes back up, you get another entry at 12 o'clock. The market comes down into the point I was watching as a management point. This is actually the live trade, guys, so this will be posted as a separate video. Straight into the management point. I was targeting these levels down here. Comes down, bounces off of the target level, comes back down again, down to 6,830. We've then rallied up once again, and we have rejected once again. For today's price action, well, we still have not got the break of that triangle, and that is the main thing we are watching for now. Today's price action was relatively slow, almost as if it was a holiday. Volatility, you can see it in the candles, the way they were forming, was very, very low. This may be because a lot of traders are sitting out waiting for the break of these key levels. We also have the key levels just below, the triple bottom, and the key levels of resistance above. So we may just be seeing big money waiting until we get some sort of direction before they commit back to the market. But for us, certainly moving forward, I'm still watching to see how the market reacts to the sloping resistance, sloping support, waiting for that break, waiting for the break to be accepted, and then the continuation price action. Okay, guys, so hopefully that was helpful. As always, I'm James Orr, and thank you.